today I'm going to be working on this toy gun, and I'm going to be cleaning it and making sure that it's not loose or anything. So follow this. If it's dirty, you need to clean it off. You have to make sure to get all in this, all in these spaces. Next, you need to take this and you need to clip this part and wiggle it to make sure it's not loose. If it is loose, you have to find a screw and tighten it. Eddie, can you give me the screwdriver? So, when you are finished with that part, you need to screw this out. And then you have to make sure there's nothing else wrong with it.
You have to check it and show them how it works.
So,
All right. What do you say?
bye.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.